Okay, so here is the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and just like we can see on the side, there are some key specifications that state 8 gigs of RAMs, 128 gigs of internal storage, USB-C, a USB Type-C cable, and I'm sure there are some other paperwork. So let's get to the unboxing.
What's with the slow-mo?
Okay, so removing the first pack, we are greeted with this. Let's drop this for now, and the device itself, and it comes with 128 Hz of refresh rate. It's an AMOLED screen, not Super AMOLED, an AMOLED screen. 6.67 dot display, the Snapdragon 732G processor. Oh, it comes with 33 watt fast charging. That's insane. So we're going to just drop this for now, and look at what comes with this. And of course, here we have the SIM ejector too. I'm going to try my best to take it off. And here we go. Usual suspect by Redmi. Normal welcome guide, a warranty card, a texture CPU case. I think Redmi are actually improving on their cases. This looks really good. Looks really good. So we'll be back to that in a sec. So out of the box here we have a 3 ampere charger. Anyways, based on the output conditions, we have situations as stated here of 5 volts that will generate 15 watts, 9 volts, 12 volts. But basically out of the box it's a 33 watt fast charger. I'm actually looking towards seeing how this would actually charge fast though. But it looks pretty impressive. So here you go, USB Type-C. I think this is something transitional business to learn. Amazing. So to the phone itself. Okay, we'll come back to this. This feels like a glass tip material. I'm not sure it's polycarbonate, but it's most possibly glass tip. And okay, these are the ultra wide lens. Here is the premium lens. It comes with an Infinity U display, and I can see some signs of a tempered glass around here. Okay, and we have front facing speakers here, 3.5mm headphone jack. There's a mouthpiece here on top, and of course the SIM card trays located to the left hand side. On the right hand side we have the power button, the volume rockers here, and the looks of this power button makes it very obvious that this power button will also serve as some kind of fingerprint reader. And at the bottom, another microphone, bottom facing speakers, and of course the port for the USB Type-C. So I guess it's time to boot it up. Let's turn it on and see.
Takes a while to boot up.
Looks like it takes a while to boot up. Okay, we're created with Redmi UI, and well, this is not actually one of the fastest startup phones I've seen. I think I've seen better, but it's not that bad overall. It's not that bad overall. So what to do the honors of setting it up. Alright, let's proceed from here. United Kingdom, yeah, we're cool with that. Nigeria. Language keyboard. Nobody actually reads that.
You can just skip all this.
Yeah, you can skip all the steps. I will come back to set itself. So skip. Accept. Skip the step. Skip this on. Alright, so alright, we'll go to the camera and all that stuff in a bit. So this is an AMOLED screen, and here is the Infinity U display. According to the specification guide, it says it comes with 128 gigahertz of refresh rate. So let's test out what the transition would be. Okay. Well, it looks pretty good, I would say. I wouldn't say it's anyway, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So I would like to just check for, okay, let's just go with key performance. About the device. So about phone. So right out of the box, only 17.8 gig of the entire 128 gig of storage has been taken by possibly some pre-installed apps, bloatware, and the others. So coming down here, as stated, it comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 2.3 gigahertz of 8 different processor quad-core, and okay, no SIMs for now. 48%. Let's go to the camera. I know it's night, but we can still check. Okay. So here is the main lens. Not bad. Let's see if it comes with night mode. Actually, since maybe it's going to be in other places. So for the portrait lens, it comes with an inbuilt AI camera though. Again, beautiful images. And should we test the selfie camera? Okay. So let's see what the selfie camera is actually coming out with the photos. So as at the time of this shooting, I have no exact idea of how many pixel comes with the front camera, but I'm betting it's nothing less than a 32. Yeah, I'm betting something like that, but I'm going to do my findings, and before this video comes to an end, we'll say something about that. Portrait mode, more mode. It comes with 108. So the back is 108. The rear camera. So okay, away from the camera now. One thing I want to test for certain, one thing I want to test for sure is how the 2.3 gigahertz processor, octa processor, can actually handle so many things. As much as I want to do some 221 gig bench test on this thing, I don't actually have those applications now. So I'm just going to run into some applications, about 10 to 15, and see how they actually transit. So we open Google, we open contacts. These are now actually very heavy apps. Photos, YouTube Music, Google Play Movies, News, podcast. What else do we open from here? Okay, we open the music also. So we get to actually transit between these apps and see if it's seamless. well, actually bet the 8 gigs of RAM we will turn something like that. So on this end, okay, and moving back to where we came from yeah, still the same. Going back to where we initially came from, still the same. Nothing changes. The processor is actually super fast, and the 8 gigs of RAM is actually showing its power here. And one thing we would test for maybe sometime after now is actually how fast it takes this device to charge, and also how long the battery lasts. But this is day one. Okay, it's a 4000 mAh battery, 5000. It's a 5000 mAh battery, and we are hoping for practical use of about a day or two, or even more. Yeah, so it's actually a very amazing device. This back for me, it's still this back for me. It feels plastic, but from a specific angle, it looks like it's made out of polycarbonate. But it's pretty an amazing device. How about we test the fingerprint scanner and the face unlock? I'm ready. Alright. So now we are going to test how fast the fingerprint scanner is. They say it's actually very fast, so let's see how fast it is. So I lock the phone and voila. Okay, let's do this again. Wow. This is nice. This is very nice. This is very nice. This is nice. Okay, so basically this is actually not a full review, it's just an unboxing and a quick view at the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and it's actually an amazing device. It comes with a fast fingerprint scanner, it comes with an Infinity U display, it's an AMOLED screen of about 6.67 inches, and it comes with a 108 megapixel back camera. The front facing camera is also nothing less than a 32 megapixel, and it comes with a capacitive screen that supports up to 16 million plus colors. So in the forthcoming days we'll bring a review looking at durability tests and how it has been able to handle day-to-day activities. But this looks like an awesome device. So for me and the entire tech crew here, we'll see you in the next video.